Welcome back to Adaptivities. If this is your first time watching, Adaptivities is a free resource for families and educators with special needs children to help them find fun, engaging activities and games. But we also teach you how to play them through adaptive video tutorials with the written instructions below. Today I have my friend Madeline with me.
Hey!
Because this is a very special episode. It's
1 year anniversary! Yay!
Yay! So we wanted to celebrate by thanking everyone that has made Adaptivities possible. We literally want to thank all of our followers on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So please watch for your name as we type every follower from every social media platform. We appreciate everyone and hope you will all continue to watch, like, share, comment, follow, and subscribe to all things of Adaptivities. See you next week for a brand new episode of Madeline Monday and a new adaptive game.
Bye!
Bye!
And again!